Are you familiar with the song, my friends? Jumpin' at the Woodside by Count Basie. If you've ever been at swing dance festivals, you know that the moment this tune is on, there is a circle and there is jamming. It's the song that is so beloved by many, but some of us feel intimidated to even think about dancing to that song because the tempo is furiously fast. Being able to dance to fast tempo is not some sort of God blessing, it's actually just a muscle training. And we should start tuning into faster tempos sooner than later, because with repetition, with kilometers of dancing and getting adjusted to fast tempos, it will not scare you anymore. Of course, there's the question of stamina, the breath, but as well agility of your footwork. And they will never become agile to dance to fast tempo if you never even try. When we're dancing to faster tempo, we have different attitude to the floor. We're not anymore having time to go down and push through the floor and I like to use this word, penetrate the floor, dancing over the floor and using it like a bouncy floor from which we can actually depart into the flight. The position of our feet on the balls of our feet. And we should be able to run to this tempo, yeah? Just by running to this tempo, kicking to this tempo, we get used to this tempo. Our bounce is not going to be so strongly visible. I like to have a feeling of this tempo more like as an impatience to dance. Feel when you have a boiling pot inside of you. Yeah, you feel excitement coming? Me too. Okay, let's first try to contain and bring a little bit of this shake release in the body. Put the weight on the balls of your feet. Release your knees. Bring the shake. Like literally, I want you to bring the shake in the body. And relax your body right now. If you feel tension that you're trying to make it on time, no. Go the opposite way. Transfer the weight. Let's go. Forward to me in the camera. To the back. Go on one foot. Just create the balance. Keep a little bit of this groove as much as possible. Change. And be playful. Imagine you're a puppet trying to keep the balance. Good. Let's do step. 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 And now we're reducing the bounce to half feel. Half feel. Walk. Break. E, walk. Just walk for me to this song. That's it. Nothing else. I'm asking you to normally walk, not even caring too much about the bounce. We just want to know that we can exist to this tempo, and we can, believe me. Good. Let's do the running. That's every single beat now, yeah? Now, walk. Feel the impatience in the feet. Feel the impatience. Different step, running. Out, in. Out, in. Out. Keep this run. Use this run to be playful with your feet. Be playful with your feet, yeah? Place them differently. Crossing. Running. Kick. Just kicking and stepping. Kick. 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 Now body forward. Kicking. Hovering off the ground. Don't overdo. Go. 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 Show me box step. Step. And do a little hop here. Hop here. Good. Cross. Do this little run. Remember this run we did? Good. Show me. Good. 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 Sit down. Stomp. And keep it cool. Wow. So we did it! Look at you. There's this beautiful idea in jazz that is called aesthetics of the cool. Even though the dance, it comes as well from a West African tradition, even though the dances and ritual dances are really powerful, energetic, explosive, shamanic, almost you lose yourself, right? Yet not. Aesthetics of the cool means with all of these explosive qualities, you still keep your cool, means you still keep control. And very often we lose our head and become like, absolutely, oh my God, fast, I have to do it. This happens when we get overwhelmed. And when we're thinking, there's a fast song, my God, I need to hold on myself and just brace and just kick around. It's not how it goes, actually. The fast tempo means I should let go more. I should let my weight down more instead of hold, oh my God, and sweating and losing the breath and dying. No, vice versa. Ba, ba-da-ba-da. Actually letting the weight be dropped into the ground, okay?